I'll be with you here shortly. Please have a look around. Let me turn this radio down. I'm sorry you had to see that. Our coffins are of the highest quality. Our pricing is based on the material that you choose. Now, this particular coffin here, we are using pine wood with an ebony finish with imported oriental silk, which is a nice added feature for your loved one. Let me show you another example over here. Oh, please, don't be alarmed. Sorry about that. This is for display only. We like to show our potential customers how their loved ones will look inside our luxurious coffins. Now, this one has a little more detail and is a furniture grade, cabinet grade, made out of knot-free pine. Now you could choose to stain this or keep it natural. We have walnut, oak, ebony, your choice. Pricing, like I said, will be based on how you choose to adorn your coffin. But this one is a very popular model with our customers. And we guarantee all of our coffins, right up until the dirt hits the lid. Now let me show you some of that imported luxury oriental silk that's available to line each of our coffins. The silks that we carry are of the finest quality, imported all the way from the Orient. We have a red, a white, a black, a burgundy, and a nice cream. Well worth the extra expense. We can also handle your flower needs. Let me show you a few examples. This is our most popular bouquet and is available for a modest price. Well worth the expense. It's a nice little addition for an extra bit of class. Now, let me show you how we prepare the recently deceased. The body preparation can be done here at the shop or on location where the deceased is. We can make arrangements for either or. The whole process usually takes between 2 and 3 hours. And during this time, we treat the recently deceased with the utmost respect, using only the highest available quality products to preserve the body. That product that we use is the frigid embalming fluid. Properly used, the body will remain lifelike for years to come. The process is done using state-of-the-art equipment provided by the Frigid Embalming Co. Here we have the Frigid Embalmer's pump. We use this to pump the fluid throughout the body. The process is very sanitary and clean. Please, have a seat. Take a few minutes to think it over. I'll turn the radio on, and then we can write up some paperwork. Thank you very much. We'll be by later on this evening to pick up the body. Enjoy your evening.